Hi, my pupils. I'm Miss Iman Sayed from Learning Teacher Iman channel. Hi, my pupils. I'm Miss Iman Sayed from Learning Teacher Iman channel. Today, this video it will be for grades 3 and 4. I will revise the grammar that we learned during the year for grade 3 and 4, and I hope grade 3 and 4 watch this video to benefit from what we say this in this video. I would like to say, don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel. This is my channel to send you new videos. Let's go to our lesson today. Today, I have I will revise. I will revise. I have a booklet here. I will revise on present simple tense, some, any, a, or n. There is and there are, singular and plural, verbs to be present and past, past simple tense, punctuation. Today I will take 2 lessons only because it's too much to take more than this. So I will revise 2 lessons only, and next video I will continue. Let's go. Let's learn together the first lesson today. The first lesson today is present simple tense. We all took the present simple tense during the academic year, and we know what is the present simple tense. Present simple tense, we told before that describe facts and habits. What the form of this tense? The form is subject, verb, complement, or object. We have here he, she, it, and we're adding to the verb, adding s, es, ies for the singular. And for the plural and I use, we, they, plural, we don't take us, base verb or the scheme verb. Let's go to know more about this tense. Rules of adding us and es. In general, we add us to the verbs. Like what? Like runs, like swims, like plays. You can't omit, in plays, you can't omit y and adding ies. Plays adding us only, because as we told before on the grammar course, that if the y if y if there is a vowel before y, can't omit s. It can't omit y. Okay, so the y is changed if we have a concept, not a vowel. Okay, like we have here runs, swims, plays. This is the verbs ending s. We have some verbs ending in s. We adding s, ss, ch, sh, at, sh, ch, x, and o. What we doing when we see these letters before in the verb? We adding es on. Like what? Like catches, goes, washes, passes, watches, fixes. So here we have added es to the verbs ending with a consonant plus y. Consonant plus y. We across y and adding ies. What is this example of this verb? Like flies, fries, tries. Let's go to another item here. We have here the expressions that describe the present tense, the present simple tense. What is the expressions that describe the simple tense? As we see this expression in the sentence, I know that is a present simple. In past simple, we have expressions described in past simple. We have expression describe present simple. We have expressions or keywords that describe continuous tense and past continuous tense. Here is we have a keywords that expression expressing present simple, like what? Every any time, day, week, year, month. So every is the keyword of what? Present simple. We have on Mondays, so it's happy. On Mondays, Tuesdays, anything. In June, in December. Adverbs of frequency. Always usually, sometimes, never, often. Note, adverbs of frequency go before the main verb after verbs. Like what? Like this sentence. He always goes to school late. He is always late. So here we have the adverb of frequency between between the subject and the verb. The subject and the between before the main verb like this. Always, he always goes to school late, or he is always late. Okay, like this. We usually never to indicate negative form, like this sentence. He never goes to school late. So here he can omit never and adding doesn't go. Okay, like this sentence. Um, we ask about adverbs of frequency. How often? How often means how many times that we do this happens. This happens like what? He usually plays tennis. He often he often does he play tennis. How often? Sorry. How often does he play tennis? He usually plays tennis. How often does he play tennis? So here I asked about it about the times that he play tennis. In the negative form, we use here we in simple terms we must have an auxiliary verb means helping verb. Why? Because we can't say I play not or anything. You can say I don't play or I don't write or I don't run. So we must put do before the main verb. We have here do. We have do in picture and do here in the negative form like this. Don't plus the verb instinct. I would like to say grade 3 and grade 4. Sometimes some of you have a common mistake that put doesn't in negative form or in picture form and putting in the main verb putting s. It's wrong, 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 and we take zero. Why? Because if we put does here, the verb come in still in the infinitive form, as we see in the examples below. Okay, but also in the sorry, also here in the question form, you say do, I, we, you, they, plus the verb instinct. Does he, she, it plus the verb instinct. Let's do this short answer. Let's study this short answer to know more about this topic. Do you like apples? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Or no, I don't. When we answer by negative form, she like apples? Yes, she does. Or no, she doesn't. Okay. When we say does she like, don't say anything else. Like what I put it and say that and say then she does sorry he likes. No, I put S on likes. Because I would like to say that is if this coming here, we have does and adding this here. So if we put here, it becomes zero. Why zero, Miss Iman? Because as we told before that does replace us. Does here replacing us. So can't do this mistake. Okay? Because some of you sometimes make this mistake. Let's go to another one, another item here. We use present simple tense to talk about prominent states like this. My father works in a hospital. He is a doctor. Things we often do, like he goes to the club every day. So this is the habit. He goes to club every day. General toasted, like what? Water freezes at 0 degrees centigrade. 0 degrees centigrade. Here is we have have and have. What we do in this case, when we make a negative indication, we say they have a nice house. We say when we ask a question or ask a negative, we say they don't have a nice house. And do they have a nice house? And don't forget in the question, don't forget question mark here. Okay. Here we have he does a small he has a small car. He doesn't have a small car. Does he have? Does he have? Why he have? Because I return the verb to the stem. The stem verb of has it will be have. Does he have a small car? And I put the question mark at the end of the sentence. So I will answer this example for you to practice what we took here. Here we have I have loopings. Here is negative. Okay, I put it in negative and put it in future. In here I say I don't. I will make don't as abbreviation. I don't have. So here we say Miss Iman would have as it is. Oh, yes, I would have it is because I and have is a stem can't change. Like when we say do he play, so the verb is stem already, but the verb changes in the singular form, not in the plural form or with I. Like say this: I don't have blue. I don't have blue pens. There is I don't have blue pens. Like this. Okay. Here we have a question. I would like to answer this in question form. What I can say here, I can say do do. I replace I was what with what do you have loopings? Do you have loopings? Do you have loopings? I answer to only to practice what we took, but I leave the rest to do it as a homework after I downloading this booklet on below the video. Okay. So here is where I put the question mark at the end of the sentence, and I would do at the end at the I would do in the first sentence, and I put question mark in the end of the sentence. I would like to say don't forget to put the question mark at the end of the sentence. Here is I don't have blue pins. Do you have blue pins? Let's go to answer the next one. This is in plural. In singular, I do what I will say. I will do it to see it with me. Okay, because it's different here because we have does, and I return the verb to I I return the verb to the steam. Like what? Here, let's go to another one. Her teacher has a big car. Negative form and question form. What I can do in this case, I say here. Here teacher, her teacher, her teacher, her teacher doesn't have. Her teacher here doesn't have. So I replace has by have. Doesn't her teacher doesn't have. I return the the verb to the steam. So I replace has here by has. Here teacher doesn't have a big car. Doesn't have a big car. Big. Let's go to another. Let's do it as a question. Question we say does the teacher does your teacher does your teacher have. Why I would have here? Because here is have, and I return the verb to the steam. Here I return the verb the have. I return have to the steam verb which is have. Does your teacher have a big car? A big car? car? And don't forget to put what to put the question mark at the end of the sentence. Put the question mark at the end of the sentence. Okay. Let's go to another item here. So now I hope to understand the simple tense. It's an easy tense that we do it, and it's an easy tense in English. Of course, I think it's not difficult to study it. Okay, let's go to another item here. what can I do here? Negate the following sentences. Negate means what? Means putting the sentence in the negative form. Like what? Here is I can say I don't sleep early. I don't sleep early. I don't sleep early on Sunday. And then it's full stop at the end of the Here is not a question. So I put full stop at the end of the sentence. Mona, who is Mona? Mona, what can I say? I can do the sentence. Mona doesn't study. So here is doesn't, and I return the verb to the scheme, to the infinitive form. Doesn't, Mona doesn't study English every day. Doesn't study English every day. Let's go to another item. Here I see you how to do these sentences. So we do it in negative form and in question form, and we know how to do it, how to do these sentences. Let's go to another item here. We answer, we together we are the underline the correct answer. Ali goes going to school every day. So here we have every day. So what I can select here on this sentence, I select goes, because when we say going, we must have I must have verb to be plus ing, as we explained later in the present continuous tense. So the correct answer, it will be Ali goes to Ali, Ali goes, Ali goes to school every day. Let's go to another sentence here. She walks to club on Saturdays. Here we have the keywords expressing the simple tense. What I select? I select walks. He sometimes, sorry, we sometimes to bed at 11 o'clock. So here we have we. As we talked before that, you, we, they can take it. So what I can select, I select go to. Marcus usually wears his jeans to school. So here Marcus is a singular noun or singular subject. So what can I put? I put here wears. He brush brushes 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 her teeth in the morning. So she here. I put what? I select brushes. I adding es, because here is singular and adding es here. I never flies flying kite. So I take what? Take the verb in the steam form is fly. Okay. Uh, here is a question form. I will leave with the rest to do it as a homework. Ask a question. What can I do here in this question? I do it as I do two sentences and I leave the rest to do it as a homework. Okay. Here it will be does. Why I put does? Because here is this sentence is the present simple form, and we have yes no question here. So the sentence it will be does does here does your teacher does your teacher does your teacher does your teacher teach We here teach the omit S because we have does. Teach English. And I will teacher mark at the end of this. Okay, let's go to another one. No, no. Hani doesn't listen to the radio. So the WH question it would be Hani does Hani listen to radio? And I put the question mark at the end of the sentence. Don't forget to in the question form. Don't forget to put the question mark at the end of the sentence. Let's go to another item here. Here we have some, any, a, and n. Let's go to know more about this topic. A and n before countable nouns in singular. A before the next not verb noun starts with a consonant sound. A consonant sound like what? Like book and that. And we use and before the vowel sound, which is found normally A, E, I, O, U. I explained this on the summer course, on the grammar summer course. If you want to know, return to the videos and listen the video again, watch the video again. Okay, there is some it's used in a positive sentence. Some used in positive sentences with countable and uncountable nouns, like some boys, some but. Any is used in negative sentences and questions. Negative sentences and questions. Okay, with countable in plural form and uncountable nouns. Here is we have. Have you got any campers? Campers. Here is a question. So here we have any. Why you have any? Because it's a question, so I put in here. I haven't got any, so here is negative. There isn't a space in the fridge. Isn't what? Isn't any. So I put here any. And I'm sorry, get me water, please. Get me some water, please. So here some used for what? Used for positive sentences, for request, and for request, for offers, and for and in positive form. So some have three uses in positive form, in request, like this one. This is a request, and in the in offer. Okay. Would you like some coffee? For example, this is an offer. I'm thirsty. Get me some water. So this is a request. Okay. Have you got space sugar? Here's the question. So I put here what? I put here what? I put any. Why I put any here? Because here is a question. Have you got any sugar? Sama doesn't have any bananas. So it could be any. Okay. Let's go to another topic. Here we will put what? There is a space on there is a space on the table. There is what? There is an apple. Uh, uh, we have there isn't any meat in the fridge. We have to go to buy a to buy a to buy here to buy some to buy here some meat to buy some meat buy some meat. I can't have any ticket. I send here what a letter. Okay, I answer some of them, not all. Okay, There is some and any. I would like to answer some and any here with you. I answer 5 only, not all. I have got bananas 14. I have got here is I have got what? I have got some bananas. Why I put here some is can say why put some here, Miss Iman? Because the sentence is what? Is in positive form. In the positive form. Positive form. With the affirmative form. Okay, this is in positive. They aren't any oranges. Aren't any oranges. Have you got space, brothers and sisters? Have you got here any? Why I put any here? Because any here is what is used for what, as we told before, in used for questions and negatives. There is a space built in fridge. It is for Susan. It will be here. It the what I can select. I select some. Okay. I answered 4 of them, and the rest it would be 100. Okay. So now we know some used for what? Some used for request, for positive 4, and for request positive 4, and offer. Any used for what? Any used for questions and negative. And some and any I explained also on in summer course, summer grammar course. If you want to know more about this, return to the video and watch what we told in this video. Okay. Today I will stop here. Next class I will continue the rest. Thanks a lot until you meet thanks a lot until you meet again. Goodbye.